electric hurricane is now heading towards Jamaica, and it's Category 5. But I do have some good news for Jamaica despite the change in direction, which may bring the storm right over the tiny island. It's July 2nd, 2024. I'm meteorologist Todd Gross.
Waiting on God to save me. Save me. Waiting on you to save me. Save me. I'm just waiting on God to save me. Save me. Save me. Save me. I'm waiting on God to save me. Save me. Waiting on you to save me. Oh, save me. Waiting on God to save me. Save me. Save me. Save me.
From early in the morning, people button up, cover down. Look where the tree it a go a ground. Clear out the way, place shovel down. Beryl it a come, people strap down. People in a supermarket buying out, while the poor people them crying out. Big man have the money, him flying out. Kishin take the Olympic trying out. Never have to trouble, but trouble come. Make sure you stand up on the level ground. Jaja are me father, me a the son. Me nah fi hide, me nah run.